You're gonna love the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, woodgrain interior trim, cooled front seat, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.